Happy Thursday, everyone. All right, let's do our alphabet. I have an object down here also. That's the beginning sound that you will hear. So we're going to go A and then apple, whatever object is down there. Are you ready? A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fish. G, grapes. H, heart. I, igloo. J, jellyfish. K, kangaroo. L, lion. M, mouse. N, narwhal. O, octopus. P, pumpkin. Q, queen. R, robot. S, snake. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, vacuum. W, watermelon. X as in box. Y, yak. Z, zebra. All right, there's our letters. We have them all here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Close your eyes and guess my letter. All right, where did I put that thumbs up? What letter is it hiding? It is! Let's see if you're right. It is the letter D. Good job. All right, let's do rhyming. Pie, my. Pie, my. Three, me. Three, me. Slow, go. Slow, go. Fun, run. Fun, run. They say. They say. Good job. Now let's talk about the beginning sound we hear in a word. We're going to say the word and come back to the beginning and chop that beginning sound. Tell. T. Your turn. Tell. T. Good. Right. Right. Joy. J. Joy. J. Bus. B. Bus. B. And zero. Z. Zero. Z. I love that sound of Z at the end. Z. All right. Let's get those chompers ready. We're going to chomp the word and then say the word together. Never, never. Your turn. Never, never. Dentist, dentist. Your turn. Dentist, dentist. Yellow, yellow. Your turn. Yellow, yellow. Noodles, noodles. Noodles, noodles. And obey, obey. Your turn. Obey, obey. All right, time to punch out that last sound that we hear. We're going to drag the word across and then punch it up. That is the ending sound of the word. Mitten. Your turn. Mitten. Fear. Ooh, I like my mouth when it goes the R sound. Try it. Lost. T. Your turn. Lost. T. Okay. Soil. Oh. Your turn. Soil. Oh. Okay. Kitten. Your turn. Kitten. Good work. This time we're going to segment our syllables. So let's say the whole word and then chop it up into our syllables. Happy, happy. Your turn. Happy, happy. Letters, letters. Your turn. Letters, letters. Tasty, Tasty. Your turn. Tasty. Tasty. Foolish. Foolish. Your turn. Foolish. Foolish. This time we're going to add to the end. So I have dirt. Add E. Dirty. Your turn. Dirt. E. Dirty. Spook. E. Spooky. Your turn. Spook. E. Spooky. Good. Cloud. I have the word cloud. I'm going to add E. Cloudy. Your turn. Cloud. Add E. Cloudy. Ooh, I like this one. Crust. Add E. Say crusty. Crust. Add E. Crusty. Last one. Rain. Add E. Rainy. Your turn. Rain. Add E. Rainy. This time we're going to delete a syllable from a word, okay? Let's say the two words, and then I'm going to take one away, and we're going to figure out what is left. We have sadly, sadly. Take away ly. What's left? We had sad, sad. Sad is left. Wildly, wildly, wildly. I take away E. Wild, good. We have mostly, mostly. Take away ly. Most is left, good. We have dearly, dearly. Take away ly. Dear. And the last one, partly, partly. I'm taking away ly. What's left? Part. Let's do our poem. 3 little kittens. 3 little kittens. They lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear that we have lost our mittens. Oh, they sadly fear they're letting their mom know that they have lost their mittens. What do you think Mom's gonna say? I wonder what happened to the mittens. Those 3 little kittens, and they lost their mittens. You're right. And they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear that we have lost our mittens. I'm so glad that they were able to tell their mom that they lost their mittens. Tell me 2 words that rhyme. Mittens, kittens, good. Say dear, fear. Lost, bossed. All right, thanks guys for joining me today. Bye.